Hello everyone สวัสดีค่ะสวัสดีค่ะทุกคน Have you ever applied for a Thai visa เคยขอวีซ่าไทยไหมเคยไหมคะ Have you Alright today I'm going to introduce you some of the visa related vocabulary that you might find useful in the future if not already. The first one is ขอ is the rising tone ขอวีซ่า In English ขอ means to ask for so it means you go ask for a visa or you go apply for a visa ไปขอวีซ่าไป means to go ขอวีซ่า to go apply for a visa Right, I ask you to give me a sentence of tomorrow I'm going to apply for a visa. Tomorrow พรุ่งนี้ผมจะไปพรุ่งนี้ผมไปขอวีซ่าพรุ่งนี้ผมไปขอวีซ่าor จะไปขอวีซ่าจะ means something that will happen in the future but if you just omit จะ people will understand you พรุ่งนี้ไปขอวีซ่าพรุ่งนี้ผมไปขอวีซ่า can do and of course I'm feeling nervous in Thai is ประหม่าผมประหม่าผมรู้สึกประหม่ารู้สึก means to feel the feeling of ผมรู้สึกประหม่าLuckily, you don't have to wait long to get the visa, so you tell your friend that, wow, my visa has been issued. I already got my visa. My visa application has been approved. ผมได้วีซ่าแล้วผมได้วีซ่าแล้วได้ means to obtain, to get, to receive something. ได้ is a falling tone ได้ผมได้วีซ่าแล้ว is already ผมได้วีซ่าแล้วฉันได้วีซ่าแล้ว or you can also say วีซ่าออกแล้วออก it means to exit to leave somewhere for somewhere else But if you apply this to a visa, means your visa has been issued, your visa request has been approved, or to be delivered. ออกแล้ว it's out already. It's the literal meaning. So, visa ออกแล้ว or visa ของผมออกแล้ว But if in any unfortunate case your visa is rejected, you would say visa ไม่ผ่าน visa ไม่ผ่าน is to pass so your request didn't make it your application did not make it through visa ไม่ผ่านAnd before you go, please leave your comment below. You can talk about your visa application experience or anything you like the most or anything that you like the least about applying for a visa in Thailand. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. For now, bye bye. สวัสดีค่ะ